Just a quick video on how to repair a starter for a Kohler. Should be pretty universal for the, I think it's called the Bendix style, which is this, sort of see the worm gear there. It should be part 32-098-3. I think -3 and -1 are almost the same. But as you can see here, I just bought a new one, but I'm going to rebuild it as a spare. Mine is stuck out, whereas you can see this one it should go up and down, right? So it goes up, starts the motor. Once it engages, it drops back down. Well, mine is stuck out. Not sure how well you can see it. It's even worse. So there is a hog ring inside of that little cup. You remove the hog ring, then you can remove the cup, the gear, and it's hard to tell, but there's a bottom piece. There we go, you can sort of see it there. That is what has the gears that match up with this gear and goes up and down. As you can see it right there, it's this piece. Anyways, the kit replaces all of that, so I will get that out and taken apart and sort of film how it's done and link everything below. I didn't find a video on how it's actually rebuilding, but rebuilt. So it was $65 for a new starter shipped. You can get a kit for the gears for $20. So as long as your motor is good, you know, $20 to have a good backup or a spare. If there's an issue, I can, you know, swap it out in 5 minutes versus waiting a week for it to arrive. So I'll get it all put together and get it next video. Quick video on how to rebuild or put new gears on a Bendix starter. My old one, this part had stuck on there and it wouldn't retract, so it was stuck up. So I had to cut off the retaining ring to get to the circlip, which I had to cut off. You can see a little bit of a gash on the shaft, but it's not a big deal. But it was, yeah, because this was locked out, so you couldn't compress anything to get to it. I guess I'll walk this way. So you couldn't compress it down to get to it, so a few cuts to get to it, and no big deal. It came off pretty easy. So alright, new kit. They're all over eBay. And so there is an actual tool you can buy for these. Most people just use pliers and a screwdriver to compress it down. Which is going to be fun one-handed. On. I'll use needle nose to make sure it is on tighter. There we go. Now we'll run it real quick and show you. So you can see the gear going up. That's it.